niggas still care about mixtapes. Yeah. Hey, all the niggas still care about mixtapes. Bad little bitch wanna know how the lips taste. She carry on, I swear I'm the only nigga still care about mixtapes. Bad little bitch wanna know how the lips taste. All I can hear is the third, ayy. All I can hear is the third, ayy. We don't know none of your words, ayy. We don't know none of your words, ayy. I like my women real tall, ayy. Type that could really play ball, ayy. You buy my hat at the park, ayy. Think I might really play ball, ayy. I got a link in my bio, my bitch with a salsa like Pico de Gallo. They gotta ask if they made Cinco de Mayo. How could they call themselves bosses when they got so many bosses? You gotta see what your boss say. I get it straight off the faucet. I ain't felt like this since the third drop, third car to drop. Told my mama third grade I be in the third barbershop. And yeah, my mama got real word when she heard college drop. But now I call it shots. Hey, all the only niggas still care about mixtapes.